Hey everyone, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com. If you're working with a list of clients, customers, employees, or job sites and you keep checking Google Maps to see which locations are closest to your office, this tool is going to save you a lot of time. And today I want to show you my most recent tool, which is Order List of Clients by Proximity in Excel tool. And the idea is very simple. You enter your office address, paste your list of client addresses into Excel, click Calculate, and the tool automatically sorts the list from closest to farthest using real Google Maps data. Instead of checking each address one by one, you can organize your list directly inside Excel and quickly see who is the nearest to your office or starting point. And the tool calculates real driving distance, not just a straight line estimate. Since it uses Google Maps data, you get more practical results for real-world planning. Whether you're trying to assign customers, plan visits, reduce drive time, or organize service areas more efficiently. Getting started is quick. You just download the Excel file from the link below, open it, and paste your Google Maps API key into the Settings tab. And if you don't have an API key yet, we've included a simple step-by-step tutorial to help you set that all up. Once the key is ready, enter your office address, paste your list of clients or customer locations, and click Calculate. From there, the tool does all the work for you. It checks the distance from your office to each address, then creates a sorted list from closest to farthest, including the driving distance for each location. So instead of guessing or manually dragging rows around, you get a clean, organized list in just a few seconds. And because it's all built in Excel, there is nothing complicated to learn. No coding, no extra software, no monthly subscription, just a one-time payment. And we've been building Excel tools for over 16 years, and our goal has always been very simple: make repetitive mapping tasks faster, easier, and less frustrating. We're proud to have helped over 8,000 clients and have earned 158 5-star Google reviews so far from people just like you who use our tools and save time, reduce manual work, and get better results right inside Excel. If you ever need help, you can reach out by phone, email, or live chat and talk to a real person. Can talk to me. No bots. Whether it's setup, troubleshooting, or just a quick question, I'll help you get all that sorted. And if you need something more specific, like a custom Excel tool built around your workflow, just let me know. I do that all the time. If you want to try it out, grab the tool from the link below. And if this helped, feel free to like and subscribe for more Excel tools just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one.